Lawmakers are exploring ways to protect the nation's power grids. Experts at a summit today say Texas may be better off than other parts of the country. Panelists say the biggest threats we face are solar storms and a nuclear blast high in the atmosphere. Both could knock out power for months or even years. The U.S. is split into three separate power grids. One covers the western half of the country. The second covers the eastern half. But the third, ERCOT, covers the large majority of Texas.
Texas could actually protect their state separate from the rest of the country. So Texas is particularly critical and particularly well positioned for protecting against these effects.
Dr. Baker says the military has already protected its infrastructure. He says it would not cost much to protect the rest of the country.